Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. We were dealing with the lesson subtraction and today is the last portion of the lesson subtraction. Today we are going to learn addition and subtraction. This is the last portion of the lesson subtraction. So here in this portion addition and subtraction, we are going to deal with the problems having both subtraction and addition. So this is a question I have taken from your exercise. So this question says 478 minus 345 plus 562. So in this kind of questions, we are going to do the addition first. We always, when there are two signs here, one plus sign and one minus sign, you always need to do addition first. Okay, always have to do the addition first. Now in this case, see, this has no sign. 478 has no sign in front of it. It means the number which has no sign in front of them, it means they are having a positive sign. Okay, it means they have a positive sign. So you always need to know that the number which has no sign in front of them, it means they are having a positive sign. Okay, and here 564 has a positive sign. It means we are going to add this number and this number, 478 and 562. Okay, we are going to add these two numbers. Let us add. Okay, so this is the way we are pushing this number at the back, and this number and 478, since it has no sign in front of it, it means it is a positive sign. So we are going to add the numbers which are having positive sign. Okay, so once we add them, we will get an answer. Now we are going to add this. Okay, you can add along with me. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0. 1 is carried over here. Then this will be 6 plus 7 will be 13, plus 1 will be 14. 1 carried over. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 10. Okay, now we are going to copy down this number. Okay, so if you are not able to do orally like this, you can add, you can make column here and then you can add. Okay, I have not added here, but you can make column and then you can add. Okay, now this is again subtraction. Okay, this is the way you're going to do. Now this is, you can't take because this is 0, so 1 I take carry over from here. This will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now this is 3 again. We can't subtract since this is 4. So now again we take from here. From 1 we are taking, this becomes 9. Again this has become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay, this has become 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so this is the way you're going to do your calculation. You are going to solve this kind of sums when there are two signs, one plus sign, one minus sign, and one plus sign. So we need to do the addition first and then we need to subtract. Always you have to remember, you need to do the addition first and then you need to do the subtraction. Okay, if we do the subtraction, we will not get the proper answer. Okay, so you always need to remember, you have to do the addition first. Now there is another question I have taken. This is a 4-digit. 5034 minus 2489 plus 2567. Okay, you may get the answer proper if you are subtracting, but there are chances you may not get also, and that is not the proper way. So you need to do the addition first and then you need to subtract. Okay, so let us solve this sum. So this this number has no sign in front of that. It means there is a plus sign here. Okay, there is no sign in front of this number. It means it is a positive sign. So we are going to add these numbers first. We are going to add these two numbers first. 2567 minus 2489. Okay, so now we are going to add this. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 is carried over here. This becomes 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0, 1 is carried over here, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So if you are not able to add orally, you can add it. You can solve your making columns this side, doing the subtraction. 2489. Okay, now we are going to subtract. So 1, you cannot subtract 9 from 1. So 1 I have carried over from here. This becomes 9. This has become 11. 11 minus 9 becomes 2. This is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. This has become 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so this is your answer. So this is the way you're going to solve. Okay, you need to do the addition first. And then only you need to go to the subtraction. Please don't do the subtraction first. You have to do the addition first and then the subtraction. Okay, so we are going again the next portion. This is exercise 3I. So this is again the round off which you had done in the addition. This says round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and find the difference. So the question says round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and find the difference. So I have already shown you, I have already taught you here what are the strong numbers and what are the weak numbers. I have told you that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are the strong numbers, and they say that go to the next number, next bigger number, and the weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they say that remains same, stays same. Okay, so let us do this now. This is 58 minus 24. So first I am going to round off these numbers. Okay, this is the first step. You're rounding off. So 58. What does 8? 8 is a strong number. So it means it is adding this 5. This 8 says 5. You go to the next bigger number. It turns to 60. Minus 4 is a weak number. Okay, so it cannot change this. So this remains 20. Okay. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. This is our answer. Okay, I have taken another question here. 29 minus 7. Okay, so 9 is a strong number. You know 9 is a strong number. So 9 will definitely push this to the next bigger number. This becomes 30. And 7. 7 is also a strong number. Okay, so 7 is also a strong number, but it has no ones here. It has no tens here. But it has no tens. It means there is a 0 there. It means there is a 0 there. Okay, there is no number. It means there is a 0 there. This is in ones place, and tens place nothing is there. It means there is a 0. So this is pushing 1. This is pushing 0 to 1. So this has become 1, and the 7 turns to 0. Okay, so 30 minus 10 is 20. So this is the way you are going to solve exercise 3I. Okay, now let us revise addition and subtraction I have taught you today, and you are going to do the addition first and then only you need to subtract. Okay, first you have to add it. I have told when there is no sign in front of any number, you are going to put that, that is a plus sign. Okay, you need to think that is a you need to know that is a plus sign, that is a positive sign. So we are doing the calculation first with the addition. We have added first and then we are subtracting, and this is the proper method. If you subtract first, you may sometimes you may get correct, but sometimes you may also be wrong. Okay, and this is the 4 digit also, and then again rounding off also. So this is the homework for today. Your homework is exercise 3H, question number 3, only question number 3, exercise 3I, only question 1 and 3, revision exercise question number 1, 2 and 3, and page number 55 has a mental maths in the book Orbit. So this you are supposed to do. And there is one more thing I have told you, a reminder here, that no need to do the word problems. You no need to do the word problems because they are not in the syllabus. You are only supposed to do the homeworks which are prescribed here. Okay, thank you.